Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to convert your image into DWG file. I want to convert this image. Go to your browser, go to convert.io, then go drop your file. Then select your image, then press open. After that, press on convert. Before that, choose what file do you want. Let's make it DXF. Then press in convert. After convert your image, download it. Name it whatever you want. Then go to AutoCAD. Open your file. And it will look like this. You can do whatever you want. It will look like a polyline, everything polyline. You can select all of them, then explode them. Then you can edit your file.